Hello everyone, thanks for tuning in. I'm Emily, the home bookkeeper, and on this channel I help business owners and fellow freelance bookkeepers navigate the ever-changing QuickBooks Online, while also sharing insightful videos like this on all things business ownership and finance. So in the United States, it's possible to get a car under your business name, along with many other things like credit cards, real estate, etc. Now, you can't buy a car as a sole proprietor, but you can buy one as a limited liability company or as a corporation. So if you want to use credit through your business and stop draining your personal credit, this is the video for you. To begin, you'll have to establish your business credit, which can take up to 2 years. But don't let that hold you back. Here is how you can start building business credit today. You'll need an EIN from the IRS to establish your business credit. You can get it at the website listed here. Alternatively, you can fill out IRS Form SS-4, which is available at the IRS website. As always, I recommend that you have a conversation with your tax advisor to decide whether buying a car under your LLC is the right decision. According to Brian Hamby, the owner of Auto Broker Club, if you buy a car under an LLC, you can help build your company's credit, but the LLC is responsible if anything ever happens to the car. However, depending on how your LLC is set up, it could provide a tax write-off benefit. So meet with your tax advisor to determine what's the best fit for you and your business. Next, you'll need to contact Dun & Bradstreet, which is the major credit bureau for businesses. You can create a profile and upload company information, such as financial statements. Set up your Dun & Bradstreet profile at their website. You'll need at least 3 trade lines to get a Dun & Bradstreet credit score, called a Paydex score. You can trade lines with large retailers such as FedEx, Home Depot, Staples. Ask the vendor to report your payment information to Dun & Bradstreet if they aren't already doing it. It can take up to 2 years to build enough business credit for your business to qualify for something like a car loan. To get the highest score, you should be doing the following. Pay your bills early. A history of timely payments will improve your business credit score. It's also important to pay early since that's the only way you can qualify for the highest Paydex score. Avoid using too much credit. Limit your credit use to 20 to 30% of your available credit. Clean up your public records. Bankruptcies, liens, and court judgments against your business will all lower your credit score. Consider whether having a guarantor could be a benefit. Brian Hamby of Auto Broker Club says some lenders will not finance an LLC without a guarantor. The financing will be based off of the guarantor's credit score. If that person has too many vehicles under their name, or if they have bad credit, the vehicle for your LLC may not be approved. It may only be approved at a higher rate, or it could affect your debt-to-income ratio, thereby affecting your LLC's credit. Make sure you're subscribed for part 2 and 3, going over how to purchase a business vehicle and how to register the car once you buy it. For more business resources, my online self-paced home bookkeeper masterclass, business supplies, gadgets, must-haves, and more, make sure to check out edjconsultinggroup.com/resources. And of course, like this video, subscribe to my channel and turn on those bell notifications so you'll never miss an upload. If you have any video or tutorial requests, make sure to leave them in the comments below. And for even more behind-the-scenes content of life as a home bookkeeper, feel free to follow me on Instagram @EmmaDawn and connect with me on LinkedIn. And if you need more assistance, personal, financial coaching, or bookkeeping and payroll management, feel free to email or visit edjconsultinggroup.com. My firm is fully inclusive and ready to help you along wherever you may be in your entrepreneurship or personal wealth building journey.